Elegant Themes Affiliate Program Review, Usage Experience. Welcome to the Elegant Themes Affiliate Program Review. In this video, I'll break down the key aspects of the Elegant Themes Affiliate Program, its features, who it's best suited for, and whether it's worth your time. Links to the product and affiliate sign-up are in the description below. Elegant Themes is one of the most well-known brands in the WordPress ecosystem, primarily because of POV Divi, their flagship WordPress theme and page builder. Divi is widely used by bloggers, marketers, designers, and developers due to its drag-and-drop interface, built-in customization options, and seamless integration with WordPress. Along with Divi, Elegant Themes also offers Extra, a magazine theme, Bloom, an email opt-in plugin, and Monarch, a social sharing plugin, all designed to enhance WordPress functionality. These products are especially appealing to users who want an all-in-one design solution without needing to code. Now, let's talk about the Elegant Themes Affiliate Program. This program offers one of the highest commission rates in the industry, 50% per sale. Since Elegant Themes provides yearly and lifetime membership plans, affiliates have the opportunity to earn high payouts per customer. Additionally, Elegant Themes products have high conversion rates, making it easier to generate commissions. The brand is well-established, trusted, and has a massive user base, which increases the likelihood of successful referrals. Another great aspect of this affiliate program is the cookie duration, which lasts on 180 days. This means that even if a visitor doesn't purchase immediately, but comes back within 6 months, you'll still earn the commission. Elegant Themes also provides professional marketing materials, including banners, pre-written content, and custom tracking links to help affiliates optimize their promotions. The program is free to join, and payouts are made monthly via PayPal, ensuring reliable and consistent earnings. If your audience consists of WordPress users, web designers, or online businesses, promoting Elegant Themes can be an excellent way to monetize your content. With high commissions, a long cookie duration, and a trusted brand, this program is one of the best affiliate opportunities in the WordPress space. If you're ready to join, check the links in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.